but our station is Rangapada. But if you are want to go in Rajdhani, and so you have to go Dibrugarh Rajdhani in Guwahati. Okay, like we use same train, our train that we mostly choose to go Assam. Like our train name is Lahalagan. Okay, Arunachal Express, Lahalagan. The last station of our train is Lahalagan that go Arunachal, Awadh, Assam, and lots of train we have. But Brahmaputra Mail is very late train. It's take sometime 4 days also. So I suggest you never take Brahmaputra Mail or Awadh, Assam. They are very late train, especially Brahmaputra Mail. I don't know when we sit in Brahmaputra Mail or when we have ticket in Brahmaputra Mail. We are ready to go. This is my bag. You can see everyone ready to go. We are at railway station, New Delhi railway station. We are here first time because otherwise we are going from Anand Vihar, but this time we are in Hasana. New Delhi railway station. This is the railway station of New Delhi. Platform number 16. The mic speak both language like English and Hindi, but now it's currently speaking Hindi language. You can see. So our one seat in B1, so we are going there, B1, and it is very far away because our two seat in B9 and one in B1. So we are going because that seat is, I think, lower seat and our seat is middle and upper thing. Oh, cool. We are ready. This is our seat, and this one is our seat. Okay, we get our food after so much fight, and now we get our ice cream, mother dairy ice cream, and it is very tasty. And food also was very tasty, but we got after so much fighting. Yeah. So we have lots of train for go Assam. Like I'm from Assam, Tejpur, not Guwahati. So I love to go nearby my hometown station. Like in nearby my hometown there is Rangapada Junction, Rangapada North or Misamari, or lots of station. So if you are going to visit Guwahati in Assam, so you can go easily Guwahati. We have lots of train like Awadh, Assam, Brahmaputra Mail, Dibrugarh Rajdhani. Dibrugarh Rajdhani also go from Guwahati and also go from Rangapada. So if we are want to go from Rajdhani, so we can choose this train, Dibrugarh Rajdhani, and we land but our station is Rangapada. But if you are want to go in Rajdhani, and so you have to go Dibrugarh Rajdhani in Guwahati. Okay, like we use same train, but this train has two rides. First in Guwahati and second one is for Rangapada Junction. Okay, so like Dibrugarh Rajdhani, Awadh, Assam, and lots of train we have. But Brahmaputra Mail is very late train. It's take sometime 4 days also. So I suggest you never take Brahmaputra Mail or Awadh, Assam. They are very late train, especially Brahmaputra Mail. I don't know when we sit in Brahmaputra Mail or when we have ticket in Brahmaputra Mail. Always we ignore to take a train with Brahmaputra Mail, and it's only go Guwahati. It's no going Rangapada or Tejpur. Like Tejpur is a city and Guwahati also a city, but Guwahati is our first developed city, we can say. Because Assam capital, we have Tejpur, but Guwahati more than developed from Tejpur, and in Guwahati we have many of mountains, rivers. That's why lots of people go Guwahati for visit. Okay, Tejpur is nearby the Arunachal, and we get Tejpur is inside of the very inside. Okay, so if we are going from Guwahati, so we have to take bus for 5 hours or 6 hours for going Tejpur also. So yeah, that is the differences. Okay, that's why we take almost time the Rangapada Junction train. Okay, so yeah, the point is we have lots of train to go Guwahati, go Tejpur, or also we have Kaziranga. In Assam we have lots of beautiful place. Like I know that Kaziranga and Tejpur and Guwahati are very beautiful, but we have more. Tinsukia nearby the Arunachal. Okay, Lakhimpur, they are also very beautiful. More we have more place that are very beautiful. Okay, you can go and visit there. And if we talk about the train price, like in Brahmaputra Mail, if we are going in sleeper coach, only sleeper, there is no AC, we get our seat, totally seat is our, we can go with sleep. Okay, that's a SL, sleeper seat. Okay, so we get train ticket like 800 to 1000 or 1200. 800, 1000 or 1200. Okay, we get the seat of this price. And if we talking about AC, its price will be changed. Okay, if talking about our train that we mostly choose to go Assam, like our train name is Lahalagan. Okay, Arunachal Express, Naharlagun. The last station of our train is Naharlagun that go Arunachal. Okay, that train has a price of, if I'm choosing B1, B2, B3. Okay, in our train, in this train, Naharlagun train, we have only AC coaches. We don't have sleeper coach. We have only AC coach. So if we are want to go from, if we are choosing B1, B2, B3, it charge almost 25 500. Okay, and if we are want to go by A1, A2, it will be 3300 to 3200, like that. So it will be totally changed. Okay, and this time when we go Assam, and this time when I was go Assam, I choose Dibrugarh Rajdhani for going Assam, because we are very late to take our tickets, and Arunachal Express Naharlagun totally full. Because of that, we are choosing Dibrugarh Rajdhani from Guwahati. Like, we have to go first Guwahati, after that we will be take bus or our personal cab, then we will be go Tejpur, our home. So that's why our time is very wasting, because we have first go Guwahati, after that we are taking cab. But in the train we only sleep one night, only one night that we have sleep. Next day we reach Assam, like 7:30 or 6:30 we reach Assam, Guwahati. In that train charge us, like per person it's 3,000 something, like that. Okay, and we book our one ticket when, yeah, it is 3,000 something when we book our ticket. And when I book my sister ticket, she is very late to book the ticket. That time its price was 4,000. So it will be changed. So it is changed, it's totally changed, because of we are very late to get our tickets. But we find our seat, because it is Rajdhani, and it is very early to give, like every train give us list before 4 hours or going our train, but Rajdhani give us very early, so that we get our ticket train and we all go. Otherwise we choose to go by flight. Okay, only for my sister, because flight tickets is also high. Like, if we are choosing flight before 1 day or 2 days, it is 13,000 or 12,000. It is very high price. So that's why, if we are going very far away from where we are living, like I'm in Delhi to Assam, so we take our ticket very early, before 1 month or 1.5 month. So yeah, that's also a point you have also think, before 1 month or 1.5 month, if you are choosing to go Assam to visit. And after that, reaching the Guwahati, you will be get buses. Very easy to get buses. You have to cross the bridge out from railway station. You have to cross the bridge, then cross the bridge, you will be find a pan shop. There, the nearby the pan shop, you will be get many of buses. They are going Tejpur, or they are going somewhere what you want to go. And one more spot we have, I told you in my video also, the name is, okay, there is a one bazaar market. I'm not remembering the name. I will be mentioned if I get, or you can watch my latest video. When I just reach Guwahati, I'm telling there the name also. And that is very old place. There is lots of bus. They stand there and they go from there, like Tejpur or whatever you want to go. Okay, so this is two spot where you get bus very easily. It is very easy to go from there. Okay, after and bus charges is per person 300. Yeah, per person 300 for Tejpur. I'm telling for especially for Tejpur, 300 per person. If you are choosing small bus, like there is only, we have long bus and small bus. If you are choosing small bus, you will be reached very early, like 4 hours or 450 for 30 hours before. If you are choosing long bus, it's take too much time to reach our place. Like, it's totally takes 6 or 7 hours. So I suggest you to take small bus, because it is very fast to go. And because if we are choosing long bus, if we are choosing big bus, it's stop in every station. So it is it's very taking time. That's why I'm saying that you can take a small bus. It is very early to reach your place. So yeah, this is the important. And book all the ticket of my family, and I manage all the traveling. That's why I know this knowledge. Okay, if you are getting if you also find a difficult to book a ticket or anything else, okay, according related to this journey, you will be comment. I will be answer the every question you will be comment. Okay, thank you for watching.